EK Molong Memorial Trophy 2023 Football Tournament ke pangcheng pon. Phaikuni ni phai cricket thomarni EK Molong Memorial Trophy 2023 Football Knockout Meghalaya State Ribhoi District Molas Nai Pathu Aklamalong pangcheng pon. Bangso ke pangcheng ek pathu pon along Karibia Anglong Hills United FC Lapen Meghalaya Nongston Khilei Mole FC Angbong pathu pon. Sonsi pupu hin take pathu ke mesena jok kipi pon apor along goal ke thom si chipi pon unchot lo. Api penalty kick pen Karibia Anglong Hills United FC atum chipo hai pon lo. Labangso football tournament along alhisar puaman pen Karibia Anglong Autonomous Council MSC Abhijit Krola pen rong asar thetum chetong dun se mesen pen ke pathu pachun pon. Wathat langso pen khorsing teranang ke pale abirta Malong News.
So agane ka nimat dan bertemu sini ya the man of the match award benda jamin keberongan kuning tim Muhammad Muslim ya the man of the match. So I request both the teams to listen for the announcement of the man of the match. So man of the match goes to Hills United FC, jersey number 7, Vincent Rompi. Man of the match award goes
Litum kelang bom lagi Malong News 24/7 ham phang pharman klar da kabirta.